Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna give you an introduction to type alias in TypeScript. So let's suppose we have one function. So let me create one function. Suppose the name of the function is print data, and we are passing one string data here, and here inside this function we are just printing the value of this data, and I can call it from anywhere I want, and I need to pass one string. So if I'm passing this hello to this function, and if I save it, then you can see that it printed this hello message. But if I want to pass any other types like a number or anything, then it will show me one error because the argument type is of type string. So for these types of cases we can create one type alias. So for that we need to use this type, and here we can give any name you want. Suppose I'm writing it as data type, and I can say the type of the type. That means this can be either a string type or number type, and I can use this data type here. Now you can see that this error is removed and it's printing both. We can also use this data type alias for complex objects. For example, let me create one type, user type. This type can have one ID, it's of type string, and also it can have one name. It's also of type string. And let me create another type. Suppose it is student type, and it can have one string, and suppose for student type we don't have name, it is a class, and it's also of type string. Now I can change the data type to like either user type or student type. Now inside this function I can access the values, like for example, like I'm printing the ID. So here you can see that it's throwing one error because we can't pass one string now. We need to pass one ID, suppose ABC, and one name or one class. Suppose for the first print data it's sending one type of type user type, and for the second print data it's sending one class type, student type, hello student. Now if I save it, then you can see that it's printing the data. But if you try to print any other properties like name, then it will show an error because we don't know this name will exist only for user type, but for student type this name will not be there. If you try to print it, then it will print undefined for one and the name for another one. So we can use type aliases which like complex types, and it's not for creating a new type, only it is for like defining that what type of data we are expecting. So that's all for now. If you love this video, please do subscribe, and if you have any questions, please drop one comment below. Thanks. Bye.